cold out there. I'll just say I'm just the messenger
Okay.
today. I guess it is winter after all. I can't change Mother Nature's approach to the four seasons. So here's what we're looking at from the sky this morning. I want to point this out, though. Cloud cover in Birmingham. That's keeping temperatures a little warmer. Okay, I say that with a questionable voice, only because temperatures the last few mornings have been in the teens. We've had wind chill factors in the single digits, so 25 feels better than 1 degree, I guess. Personally, when I walked out this morning, I didn't feel a big difference out there, but with the cloud cover that we're seeing right there on our Storm Track Tower cam in Birmingham, what that's doing is that's really inhibiting any of that that daytime heat from yesterday to escape out into Earth. So it kind of traps the heat, kind of in layman's speak there. But what we're looking at is those 20s across the board, mid to upper 20s at that, and those temperatures are expected to climb into the mid 30s later on this afternoon. I do want to point out, though, clouds mean there's moisture in the air. Moisture plus cold air could equal a few flurries, and we are spotting a few of them in West Alabama this morning, so keep an eye out to the sky for that. As we move through the day, though, the clouds will clear out. The sun shines back later this afternoon, clearing by 6 p.m., and those temperatures take a tumble back into the teens overnight tonight. Hard freeze warning still in play across central Alabama. Then we'll see a hard freeze watch later on this week and into the weekend. So please prepare your pipes. Wrap any exposed pipes outside. Leave the faucets dripping indoors. There's impacts to fragile plants as well. Make sure to bring those fragile plants in if you haven't done that already. And check on the pets and people as well. Here's what we're looking at on the maps this morning. A few white spots showing up. Could see a few flurries in East Alabama and Anniston, from Wyndham Springs down to Tuscaloosa into Utah, all the way down towards Sprott and Perry County. We could be dealing with a couple of white flakes falling out of the sky. No accumulation, though, but here's the setup. We're sitting east of this ridge of high pressure. That's going to usher in this cold air, and that has really been our driving force this week. And high pressure really pushes down in the atmosphere. It means clear skies for the most part, but there's this conveyor belt of moisture down to the south. That's going to provide some winter weather for South Georgia, although that's not going to impact us whatsoever. But we're just getting a little bit of this moist air moving into Alabama. So highs today, I expect to top out in the upper 30s, but look what our average highs are for this time of year, 53 degrees. Now our low this morning is at 22, not flirting with record cold set back in 1928 of 8 degrees, but on average we should be starting off the days in the 30s. We're not going to see average temperatures until early next week. Here's a look at the rest of your week. We're looking at sunshine Thursday and Friday, afternoon highs in the 30s, but we're kicking off each day in the teens. Still, slight warming trend through the weekend, but that warm up comes with a bit of a price. Rain falls back in the forecast on Monday.